Hello in 2024. Happy New Year to everyone who is watching. Today I have got DJI Enterprise Series drone Mavic 3 thermal. This is the box in which I got it today, and in this video I'm going to unbox it. So let's start it. So this is the box and it is pretty simple. Let's take it out, and here it comes. So everything is packed in a hard case. Only safety is here. Let's get it off. And the hard case is pretty much the same size and look as previous Enterprise models, such as Mavic 2 Enterprise and Enterprise Dual. And how can we recognize it? So here is written DJI Mavic 3T, and on the other side there is all the information, and you can see what is in the box. So this is DJI Mavic 3 Thermal Combo Edition without RTK module. Okay, don't waste any time. Let's get inside the case. So up here you can see that there are some additions in previous models. This kind of stuff wasn't added here. So here is additional Samsung Evo Plus micro SD card with adapter, and also there is one 64 gigabytes micro SD card inside the drone. And here is also added something probably useful. So this is payload release system for DJI Mavic 3. This is how it looks. I don't know if I will use it anytime, but what's included, that is included. Let's see what is more here. As written on the box, it is a universal edition. I don't know what does it mean, but it looks like it is meant for all markets all around the world. How can I tell it? Because in the box there are all types of cables. So this kind of cable, then there is this kind of cable, then there is European cable, then there is this kind of cable, and there is one more cable similar to Europe cable, but a little bit wider contacts. I don't know. I will see it later how this differs from each other. And yeah, so here are 5 cables. What else are here in the box? So this is charging hub for 3 batteries, as this is a combo edition, so there should be also 3 batteries included, and today I have got only 2 batteries because one is on the way. It will be sent a little bit later. And also the same thing is with a microphone which comes here. These are 2 stuffs which are coming a bit later due to Christmas and New Year holidays. For Mavic 3 Enterprise, this is the adapter. This is how it looks, and this has 2 Type-C holes here. What else is here in the box? Somewhere here is a data cable. So this is Type-C to Type-C cable, one cable. Under here there are more cables, and also there are 6 additional propellers, and there are some instructions and manuals. So in this place there is one Type-C to usual USB cable and one more Type-C cable. Let's see. Yes, it's Type-C to Type-C. So 2 Type-C to Type-C cables and one Type-C to USB cable. And also here is small screwdriver for adding some stuff or taking it off the drone. And let's grab the main thing that is in the box. It is remote controller and batteries and drone. So here is one of batteries that is included in a combo edition, and there will be one more separate battery. It will come to me in few days. This is how the battery looks in Mavic 3 Enterprise Edition. I'm not sure if it is 100% the same as other Mavic 3 drones, as it was on Mavic 2. All batteries was available to use for each drone. I will see it later on. And it has 5000 milliampere hours battery life. So here is place for 5 batteries here and one here, so, and one of course in drone, so you can store 6 to 7 batteries here in the case, which is very, very nice. I have 7 batteries to my previous drone. Let's see what else is here. So this is remote controller for Mavic 3 Enterprise drones. So it says charge the remote controller via USB-C port. It is pretty empty. So this is how it looks. And here are both joysticks. C1, C2 button, pretty much the same as all other DJI remote controllers. Stay tuned to my channel and you will see how I start it up in my next video. And I can do the one lucky thing right now. And let's move to the drone. Here is the drone. Some safety stuff here. Looks much better than in pictures. Feels better quality. In pictures it looks more cheapy plastic, but in real life it is really good. So here is the Mavic 3 thermal drone. This is the safety here, quite big this time. All the sensors and lights here. Here is the place for RTK module and for microphone, sensors, upward, downward, omnidirectional sensors. Should be pretty safe. And this is how you unfold the legs. And yes, this is how it looks. So 2 of 4 of propellers comes that are in the complex, so will be placed on a drone. So there is only 2 additional propellers. Here is the second battery. This is how it comes out. I hope that these batteries are more better quality than Mavic 2 batteries, which were swallowing up pretty quick. And here is the Type-C data and the charging port. As I know, you can also charge the battery in the drone. And here is the second micro SD card, memory card. And so I have to take all these stickers off, and at the last, let's see how the gimbal looks like. As usual, you have to learn how to put it on and how to take it off. Pretty difficult for the first times. So this is the Mavic 3 thermal gimbal. Wide camera, zoom camera and thermal infrared camera with radiometric options. So thank you for watching this unboxing video. Stay tuned to my channel, and in the next video I will show you how to first time start the drone and make it to the first flight. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye. In addition to unboxing video I didn't check manuals. Between the manuals you can find these two license cards. One is DJI Terra, 3 months for free, and DJI Flight Hub, free public beta.